On the first day of Christmas, my 9 to 5 gave me a boss who's micromanaging me.
On the second day of Christmas, my 9 to 5 gave me 2-hour commutes and overtime with no extra money.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my 9 to 5 gave me 5 long emails.
4 pointless meetings.
3 Zoom calls.
I just wanna quit.
I wanna have my own business, please.
Hey, look who it is.
Ho, ho, ho. Sounds like you've had enough of that 9 to 5.
Yeah.
Well, all you gotta do is click that link to learn how to build your own online business.
But I sell products.
Services.
Coaching. Does it work for every kind of business?
It works for anybody that wants to sell anything online.
All right, let's click the link, you guys.
When I clicked that link, I made it finally.
My own online business.
Working from my laptop.
Making more money.
Daydream vacation.
7 streams of income. More time with family.
Money while we sleep. Location freedom. 3 bank accounts.
Many happy clients.
And a boss that is finally me.
Thanks, Russell Brunson.
So hurry